Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll show you how to set up Contabo Windows VPS so that you can install whatever you want on a VPS running Windows. Before anything else, thank you so much for your support to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Okay, let's start. So let's go to Contabo and go to VPS. Choose Cloud VPS. So I'll show you a little trick here. So this is a dollar currency, but in order for us to save, do not choose a dollar. In case you're not European Union, you can just choose euro. So that's it. Let your bank or your payment processor convert this euro to dollar. So for starters, I'll suggest Cloud VPS 1 or Cloud VPS 2. But Cloud VPS 1 is good, but if you have bigger projects, you can choose VPS 2 or VPS 3. So let's select VPS 1. And here you will configure your VPS. So for your term length, you can choose 1 month up to 12 months. But if you will choose 1 month, you'll have €6 one-time setup fee. But if you will choose higher months, or rather longer months, you will see that the one-time setup fee reduces. So if you want to try Contabo, you can just go for 3 months, or at least if you want to have dedicated projects, you want to dedicate your time in Contabo, you can choose 12 months, and the one-time setup fee is waived, so it's 0. So I'll try 3 months first. And for the region, so rule of thumb, if you are located in the US, you can either choose the United States Central, East, or West. Or if you have audience in European Union, but you are located in the United States, you should choose European Union. So both don't have fees, European Union and United States Central, but I'll be choosing United States Central. For storage type, I always prefer NVMe storage. But if you are storage oriented, you want more storage, you can choose also 4 GB, so it's free. I'll be choosing NVMe. For the image, of course, you need to choose Windows Server, so this is very important. You can choose a 2016 up to 2022. So if you will choose 2022, you can have a 2019 for reinstalling your Windows VPS. However, you cannot choose 2016 because you only are limited to 2022 and 2019. So for your login password, so you need this to log into your Windows VPS. So be sure to copy this one and save this on your computer, because if you will miss this one, if you will forget this password, you will need to install your Windows again. So object storage, I'll leave this as none. For networking, I'll just leave this as is, but if you need to have another IP, you can choose this IP add-on. And of course for backup, and I will choose none. So of course we will manage our own server, you will choose manage, because managed server is very expensive. So monitoring, I'll just choose none, as well as SSL. So just click next. So okay, you need to register your account. If you are a private individual, choose this one. For business, choose this option right here. Okay, once you have registered your account, you will be led to a payment method. You can choose either PayPal or a credit card. And once you have decided which payment processor you are using, just click next and you will be directed to your confirmation of your payment. Okay, once you have paid your Contabo VPS, they will send you an email like this, and you will wait for at least 3 hours for your VPS setup. And you will also receive an email like this for your order status. So you need to click here to check whether your VPS is already ready. So we are now complete. And now let's check another email. You will receive an email like this for your login data and your IPv4 and your IPv6. Okay, now let's log into our Contabo control panel. So we will be using our login details sent to our email. Okay, let's go to VPS control. Let's see if our status is running. It is running. And be sure your cloud init is enabled. This should be green. Now we have our control panel ready. Let's log into our Windows VPS using our RDP client. So let's use remote desktop connection. I am using Windows operating system on my computer. But if you have a Mac, you should check out the link below so that you can get the RDP client. So I'm running remote desktop connection. Just enter your Windows VPS IP address here. This is your IP address, and just click connect. And be sure to choose administrator as your username and paste your password here. You can just click remember me and just hit OK. Just click yes. And now we are on our Windows desktop. It's preparing. Let's wait for a moment. Okay, this is the server manager. Okay, I'll just minimize this one. Now we are here on our Windows desktop, on our Windows Data Center 2022. I'll be installing GeekBench, so I'll just open this edge right here. So I'll just start without your data. Click confirm and continue. Continue without this set and confirm, start browsing. Okay, let's go to GeekBench. Let's see our hardware score. Yeah, just click accept. Okay, I'll just download the GeekBench. Okay, for Windows. Okay, let's wait. Let's open file. Okay, just click later. So this is your system information. You have Windows Server 2022. It's a 64-bit, and this is your CPU until Xeon. And let's run CPU benchmark for this one. Okay, it may take a while. Okay, this is the result for our GeekBench. So I'll be putting the link on this result on the description down below, so better check that one out. Okay, the multi-core score is good, and okay, I'll just minimize this one. In case you want to change operating system, or you change your mind, you want to install Debian or Ubuntu, so just go to reinstall, click this one and choose your operating system. You can always reinstall Windows Server 2022 and Windows Server 2019, but you cannot install 16. You need to have another license for this. So if you want to install Linux distribution, for instance Ubuntu like 22.04 or 23.10 or the Debian 12, you can always go back. And if you want to change again, if your mind change again, you want to install Windows, so you can always reinstall Windows. So that's it. This is how you will set up Contabo Windows VPS. And if you want to install WordPress, you can. If you want to set up your own mail server on this Windows Data Center 2022, you can. Or set up a VPN, you can. Whatever it is. If you want to install anything, you can, as long as it is Windows based application. So that's it. This is how you will set up Contabo Windows VPS step by step. And if you have any questions, just put them down on the description down below, or rather the comment section down below, and I'll try to answer them all. As always, thank you all for watching, and please hit that like button, smash that like button, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.